everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play PlayStation games from your phone, and this is very easy to do using Remote Play. So you can see I have all the on-screen controllers, and I can mute my mic or unmute it and speak to people. And this is the PlayStation Remote Play application. So to get this, it's very easy. Let's go to the Play Store right here and get the PlayStation app. Just go to search and you should be able to find this really easy. PlayStation app. And you can see I actually have this in picture-in-picture mode, so I still can see the game I'm playing in the background. So I can actually close this out right now so I don't see it. And then let's go to the PlayStation app, open this up. Now you're going to be brought to this home page. Going over to Game Library right here. You can choose the game you want to play, and then you have to go to, make sure it's just the correct edition instead of the beta. Play using PS5 Remote Play, and it'll connect. Just make sure you're connected to the same wireless internet as your PS5 and your PS5 is turned on, and it will connect and pair it. And then we can play PlayStation 5 games from our phone, and we will have the on-screen controls like I showed you before, and everything will work. So it works pretty well. Just make sure your PS5 is on good internet. It's connected with a wire so there's less latency. And I can see on my screen now it's working. So it'll take maybe like 20 seconds for it to connect and pair. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.